Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Today, let me show you some quick tricks about Canva AI. This will boost your design game, so let's dive in. First, use Canva AI's design suggestions to automatically find the perfect colors, fonts, and layouts for your projects. Just select your elements and let Canva do the rest. Next, the Smart Resize tool adjusts your design to a different format with a click. Perfect for social media, flyers, posters, thumbnails, and more. For example, I want it 1 by 1. I will just click on the ratio 1 by 1 and it will automatically show up in 1 by 1 format. For text, try Magic Write to generate catchy headlines or descriptions. Let me put keywords like travel, vlog, Europe, Madrid. I'll just wait for it to generate, and it will definitely make your post stand out. When you are satisfied with your design, just save it, and that's it. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.